Bladder cancer affects over 500,000 people worldwide each year. But what if the same electromagnetic technology we worry about could actually help fight it? A groundbreaking study from researchers at multiple institutions has revealed something remarkable. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, the same type of energy that powers our devices, can dramatically slow bladder cancer cell growth when precisely calibrated. The research team exposed HT1197 bladder cancer cells to targeted electromagnetic pulses for 1 hour daily over 5 consecutive days. These weren't the random frequencies from your phone or Wi-Fi router. These were carefully tuned pulsed electromagnetic fields designed for therapeutic effect. The results were striking. The treated cancer cells grew 76% slower than untreated control cells, but the effects went deeper than just growth rates. The electromagnetic treatment triggered massive changes in the cancer cell's genetic activity. The therapy altered 76% of the genetic variation between treated and untreated cells. This suggests the electromagnetic fields were fundamentally reprogramming how these cancer cells behaved at the molecular level. What makes this particularly fascinating is the specificity. When researchers tested the same treatment on a different bladder cancer cell line called HT1376, no effect. This suggests that electromagnetic therapy could be precisely targeted to specific cancer types. This research builds on an emerging field where electromagnetic fields are being used therapeutically. As I explore in my book, Empowered, the FDA has already approved devices that use targeted electromagnetic fields to treat aggressive brain cancers. These tumor-treating fields work by disrupting cancer cell division without the side effects of chemotherapy or radiation. The broader research landscape supports this therapeutic potential. Out of 742 studies on electromagnetic fields and cancer in our research database, nearly 80% found biological effects. But here's what's crucial to understand. Not all electromagnetic exposure is the same. The frequency matters, the intensity matters, the duration and pulsing patterns matter enormously. This study demonstrates that the same technology that can pose health risks when uncontrolled can become a precision medical tool when properly applied. So, what does this mean for you? First, this research adds important nuance to EMF health discussions. Electromagnetic fields exist on a spectrum from harmful to therapeutic, depending on how they're used. Second, while this bladder cancer research is promising, it's still early-stage laboratory work. Don't expect electromagnetic therapy devices for bladder cancer in your doctor's office next year. Third, this reinforces why understanding EMF science matters. The same electromagnetic principles that make your devices work are being harnessed to fight cancer. The key is knowing when and how these fields help versus harm. The bottom line? Electromagnetic fields are powerful biological tools. This research shows they can be precisely calibrated to slow cancer growth. A reminder that the science of EMF and health is far more sophisticated than simple good versus bad narratives. Find the full study and hundreds more at shieldyourbody.com/research.